Did you know that 70% of chronic patients report a decline in their quality of life? Or that rehabilitating from an injury can take up to a year? That's why it's important to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. However, even the most active people need some help. When dealing with a chronic condition or another injury, it can be difficult to stay on track. Rehabilitation is especially tough when you have to implement changes in your daily life. Even with the best intentions, sometimes we feel like our old selves again after a long break. What better way to improve your health than by incorporating some physical therapy? It's more than working out and stretching. The right program can promote better flexibility, balance, and strength. This video highlights some of the ways physical therapy can improve your health, along with some examples of how it works in the real world. If you're excited about this topic, consider smashing the like button, comment on which topic you want me to cover in the next video. Let's get started. Keep track of your condition. Although it's important to get regular checkups and seek treatment when necessary, it's even more important to stay on top of your condition. Difficulty doing activities of daily living can sneak up on you, and it can be difficult to notice a change in your health until it becomes significant. Every day, get into a routine of checking in with yourself. Ask yourself these questions and write your answers down. Are you having trouble holding your coffee cup? Are you experiencing shoulder stiffness? Are you having trouble moving your hips? Are you having trouble bending your knees? If so, you might have issues beyond just a physical injury. Strengthen weak links. If you have been inactive for a longer period of time, and have been injured more severely, rehabilitation may be necessary. If so, it's important to begin with strengthening your weakest links. When you have a torn ligament, for example, the tissue around it may be weak. Over time, this can lead to future injuries, so rehabilitation may include using resistance bands to strengthen the weak area. For some injuries, therapy can also include using functional equipment. For example, a patient who injured her back may need to use a wheelchair while recovering. However, as she builds strength in her core, she will one day be able to walk again. Improve range of motion. The right rehabilitation can also reduce the risk of injury by improving range of motion. For example, a patient who injured her shoulder may need to move the arm in specific ways to do everyday activities like typing on a keyboard. However, in rehabilitation, the therapist will increase the range of motion to improve strength and prevent future shoulder issues. Decrease risk of injury. If you participate in sports or other activities that put your body in high demand, you will experience injuries. The good news is that physical therapy can also help you minimize the risk of future injuries. For example, rehab may include exercises that help strengthen and stretch the hips. In addition, flexibility and balance exercises may include getting further into a squatting position. Increase flexibility. Along with improving strength, flexibility can also help prevent injuries. In rehabilitation, physical therapists may use stretching exercises to increase your flexibility. They can also teach you new movements that help prevent future injuries. For example, a patient who injured his back may need to bend at the knees when picking up objects from the floor. Learn core stability. While rehabilitation will often focus on strengthening links, it can also teach core stability. This can prevent future injuries by improving your balance, strength, and posture. In rehabilitation, patients will often use balance boards while learning how to maintain their balance. Build muscle strength. Physical therapists will often coordinate rehabilitation programs with resistance training. In rehabilitation, patients will build strength by using free weights or machines. As they progress, they can reduce the intensity of the workout and build back up their strength with an accompanying therapy program. Physical therapy can be a great option for those who are interested in improving their health and quality of life. With so many different types of programs and options, it's easy to find one that works for you. The best part is that physical therapy can be used as a preventative measure or to improve strength and flexibility in any area of your body. From strengthening weak links to improving range of motion and reducing the risk of injury, there's a lot of physical therapy can do. The key is to get started right away. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and bye until the next one.